Welcome to our Selmo Academy tutorial video series. In this video, we explain the system layer and its zone types. The zone describes the state that the machine must have in the particular step. This layer is responsible for processing and controlling process signals. The process signals are binary values that represent the state of sensors or actuators. The Selmo Studio has 4 types of zones. Zone in. To include a sensor in your application, you must use zone in. The sensor only sends an input signal to the system. This is monitored for high and low using the input and the negated input zone. To fully protect a signal, an inverted zone in can also be inserted. Zone in out. The zone in out switches an output and expects a feedback that the function controlled by the output has been executed. Zone out. The zone out switches actuators and does not expect feedback. It operates pure switching logic. This zone type is mainly used for lights and signals, but also for actuators that have no feedback. But this should be avoided by technical means if possible, because this leads to uncertainties in the process. Zone mem. The zone mem is used as a flag to remember executed process steps. It always consists of 2 zones. The first sets and checks the flag high. The second resets it and checks for low. Zones allow to define and control different areas of a system. The system layer uses bit-driven logic functions to link process signals and control corresponding outputs. The system layer is divided into zones, each of which monitors or controls a part of the overall process. Each zone has its own settings where you can define certain properties like basic settings, HMI functions and texts, zones in and output data, as well as the pair check and internals. How to fill in the operands and what they mean, you will see in the next video.